CES 2026 is over. Here are the top vehicle and autonomy wins that will shape 2026. Section 1. A new era of autonomy, from perception to reasoning. This year's show wasn't about far-off concepts or futuristic promises that might never materialize. Instead, the halls in Las Vegas were filled with concrete facts, real hardware, aggressive launch timelines. Companies are shifting from demos to products you'll actually see on the roads this year. The era of waiting is over. The era of deployment has begun. Here are the key wins you need to know. First up, NVIDIA's launch of Alpha Mayo, not just another chip update. Alpha Mayo, a family of open-source AI models to help vehicles think, not just see. Traditional systems focused on perception, identifying cars, pedestrians, signs. Alpha Mayo enables reasoning, handling the unexpected, built to tackle the long-tail, rare, weird, unpredictable road scenarios. A huge leap for safety and reliability. Alpha Mayo will run on NVIDIA Drive, boosted by Rubin, a 6-chip AI platform now in full production. Open models mean developers can contribute, helping the whole industry solve autonomy's hardest problems faster. Don't think of Alpha Mayo as just a product name. Think of it as moving beyond perceiving the road and into reasoning, making vehicles smarter and safer. That shift reduces surprises and lets systems make more human-like judgments. Not just rule following, cars can better anticipate other drivers or navigate confusing construction zones. This tech unlocks higher autonomy, from driver assist features to true self-driving you can trust. A fundamental upgrade to the vehicle's brain. Section 2. Mercedes-Benz and NVIDIA, Level 4 on the horizon, building directly on this new AI capability. Mercedes-Benz made a massive announcement confirming its deep partnership with NVIDIA. The German automaker will be among the first to bring this next-generation technology to consumers. The all-new Mercedes-Benz CLA launching this year will feature the NVIDIA Drive full-stack platform. Initially, this system will provide what is known as Level 2++ driver assistance, offering advanced point-to-point automated driving on highways. Hardware and software installed today are designed with the future in mind, creating a clear pathway to achieving Level 4 autonomous driving down the road. Mercedes showcased its MB Drive Assist Pro system. This is not a simple camera-based setup. The vehicle is equipped with around 30 individual sensors, 10 cameras, 5 radar sensors, 12 ultrasonic sensors, strategically placed to create a complete 360-degree view. All sensor data is fed into an onboard supercomputer capable of 508 trillion operations per second. That processing power runs AI models like Alpha Mayo and makes real-time decisions. Mercedes attached a firm timeline to the rollout. The enhanced driver assistance features will begin appearing in cars in the United States in the first quarter of 2026. That's right now. The rollout will then continue into Europe in the second quarter, followed by Asia in the second half of the year. This isn't a vague 5-year plan. It's an aggressive market-ready deployment that puts advanced driver assistance into real customers' hands this year. It signals a major vote of confidence in the maturity and safety of the system, a powerful indicator of where the industry is heading. By going software-defined and upgradable, Mercedes is future-proofing its fleet. Today's Level 2++ CLA is designed to become a Level 4 capable vehicle through over-the-air updates as regulations and tech permit. A gradual evolution from what we drive now to fully autonomous vehicles. Okay. Section 3. The robotaxi revolution. Gains speed. The progress wasn't just limited to cars you can buy. Robotaxis took several giant leaps at CES 2026, moving from small-scale pilots to serious commercial deployment plans. A major partnership between Lucid, Nuro, Lusterboy and Uber grabbed headlines, with the announcement that on-road testing of their production-ready robotaxi has already begun. This isn't just a concept vehicle, these are the actual cars, equipped with Nuro's self-driving system, that will be picking up passengers. The testing, which started last month, is a critical step before a public launch. The scale is what makes this so significant. Uber plans to deploy 20,000 or more of these Lucid vehicles, powered by Nuro's autonomous technology, over the next 6 years. One of the largest robotaxi programs announced to date, with plans to operate in dozens of markets within the United States and internationally. The first Uber-native robotaxis are expected for rides in a major US city via the Uber app by the end of 2026, powered by NVIDIA Drive AGX Thor. Underpinning this progress, a sensor breakthrough. Seon showcased its mass production-ready portfolio of solid-state LiDAR. A highlight, the Hummingbird series, a compact, fully solid-state LiDAR with no moving parts, more reliable and easier to integrate. An ultra-wide 140 by 100 degree field of view, minimizing blind spots with high-resolution real-time 3D perception. A single supplier simplifying full perception systems. The range figures stole the show. Some models, like Robin E1X, deliver enhanced detection approaching 500 meters, a game-changer at highway speeds and in poor weather conditions. More time to see, understand, and react. And it's ready for mass production. Section 4. From ground sensors to sky taxis, the full picture of mobility. Autonomy at CES 2026 wasn't confined to the ground. Up in the air, urban air mobility is getting real. Air taxis are entering final certification phases. Joby Aviation is leading the charge. Its S4 test aircraft is progressing through FAA type inspection authorization testing, a major milestone toward full type certification. Joby targets first commercial passenger services in 2026, with an exclusive 6-year agreement in Dubai, and its first vertiport at DXB expected to complete by end of the first quarter. In the US, launches are planned for major markets like Los Angeles and New York, 10 to 20-minute flights turning gridlock into a scenic hop. Archer's Midnight is also deep in FAA certification. Put the pieces together and 2026 snaps into focus. We have AI that can reason. We have passenger cars from major brands like Mercedes-Benz packed with supercomputers and dozens of sensors, ready for level 4 autonomy. We have massive robo-taxi fleets from Uber, Lucid, Nuro, beginning on-road testing for commercial launch this year. We have long-range, solid-state LiDAR ready for mass production, and electric air taxis preparing for first commercial flights. From the ground to the sky, autonomy is launching this year. This year's CES felt like an inflection point. The promises of the past are becoming the products of today. Theory is giving way to firm dates and real deployments. A transformation in how we move is underway. Expect more real autonomous services on streets and in the skies. The future is arriving faster than anyone expected. CES changes everything. Subscribe to Epic Wisdom Bites for more future mobility.